Hall joystick replacement on Asus ROG Ally Z1 Extreme. Thank you, Sir Paul, for trusting our service again. Sir Paul came back to us twice this year. The first time was for the right side, and now the second time is for the left side. The problem of a defective analog stick on the Asus ROG Ally Z1 Extreme is not widely reported as a common issue. However, like any handheld gaming device, analog sticks can experience wear and tear over time, especially with extensive use. If your device's analog stick is defective, it might be a result of heavy usage, accidental damage, or a manufacturing defect. While not commonly reported as a widespread issue, analog stick problems can occur with any handheld gaming device, including the Asus ROG Ally Z1 Extreme, due to various factors. If your Asus ROG Ally analog stick is defective and a professional repair shop offers a Hall joystick replacement, it's recommended to take it to the shop for repair. The expertise of the technicians, the use of quality replacement parts, and the warranties provided by professional repair services ensure a high-quality fix and maintain the performance of your device, while also avoiding potential further damage from DIY attempts. Joystick replacement is complete. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your joystick replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.